what's cooking? I'm Bella and welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new to the channel, please take a moment and subscribe. This is about the only thing you need to do to show your support and motivate me to keep on going. Enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, you know what to do. Hit the like button and leave some comments down below. I'd love to hear your feedback. Oh, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. This way you know every time I post a new recipe. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.